Hello, it's another cold one. I'm FxPlew on Thursday the 20th for today's market brief. Now, October inflation fell to 3.6% and core inflation dropped to 3.4%. That eased inflationary pressure and does suggest we might be past the worst and on a sustained downward path now. All this has boosted hopes for a December rate cut, which markets are now pricing in at around 80%. But as we know, inflation is still way over that 2% target, and we can therefore expect some pretty fiery debate from the hawkish side of the MPC, from those who want to keep rates higher for longer. Second guessing continues ahead of the budget, where Reeves was instructed to protect manifesto pledges against any income tax hikes. Questions now remain over where she will raise revenue from. Estate agents are reporting a rush from the top end of the market amid fears that capital gains tax will be applied to primary residences over £1.5 million. Over in the US, data is beginning to trickle through after the government shutdown has ended. The trade deficit for August narrowed sharply to under $60 billion. Imports dropped 5.1% and imports of consumer goods hit pandemic lows not seen since July 2020. Yes, that is in part due to Trump's tariffs, no doubt. This may give a boost to Q3 GDP, but it comes with a warning where consumer and business spending is softening a little. Unfortunately, I just cannot juggle the diary today to host a sweepstakes, so thumbs down to the US government shutdown, spoiling all that fun. However, normal service will be resumed soon enough, I promise. In the market, the dollar index closed above the 100 level for the first time in about 6 months, I think, which may provide an interesting backdrop for the rest of the year. This morning, we kick off from around 130.60 against the dollar, 113.40 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 115.20 on the open this morning. So that's it from me, another chilly one this morning. Get that heating on and a nice cup of tea. Toodaloo.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.